So with me is the world's first CNG motorcycle, and yes, you got that right. This is the Bajaj Freedom. It's a 125cc motorcycle which has dual fuel kind of storage capacities. If you see here, you get a 2-liter fuel tank capacity, and if you guys might be wondering where the CNG kit is, so it stays here underneath the seat. So you get a nice 2 kg CNG kind of a bottle just underneath your seat, and it's pretty safe. You've seen all the tests online, and the mileage, if you guys would obviously ask, would give you a total mileage of 330 kilometers, which is completely amazing, and which will take you to different places with that kind of a mileage. And if you see the motorcycle from front, you see this nice rounded headlamp here, which looks nice and chunky, and it definitely doesn't look like a mediocre 125cc. The indicators obviously bulbs here. You get this nice kind of a suspension setup. I believe it's telescopic, and if you see ahead, you get this nice disc setup. There are 3 variants, mind you. The first variant starts at 95,000 and going all up the way to 1,10,000. This stands at 1,10,000, I believe, because this is the top end variant. And if you come this side, you see this nice chunky crash guard here protecting the engine, protecting the nice technology that Bajaj has bought in with. You see this nice dash plate here protecting your pipes. And if you see the muffler this side, it reminds you of a Bajaj mufflers. And I'll just give you a startup, if I may. So at the moment you are on petrol, so this is how you switch here from petrol to CNG. Petrol to CNG, so that's where it's gone to CNG. It's in petrol now. Seamless kind of transition, no kind of lag anywhere. And if you see the exhaust mode, this is the petrol exhaust mode. And let's switch to CNG now. As I told you, the small glitch there. So with CNG, the exhaust note was a little on the lower side. That's what we saw. And if you see this, you get the longest seat, which could easily sit a good Indian family of 3. I wouldn't advise y'all doing that, but that is how it is. It's nice and chunky here. You get these nice kind of holes here to put in bags or carry your kind of groceries on top. And if you see from behind, you get this LED lights here. From behind, if you see, you get these nice LED lights. And plus you see the indicators too, which are bulb. Again, you get this nice shroud sticking out, plus this kind of a mud guard. You are giving it that kind of a sporty feeling and attracting those youngsters there. You get a monoshock again that side, and that's obviously the chain cover. You get a center stand, so obviously it's a do everything kind of a motorcycle. So you get that center stand, you get the sadi guard, so that's where it attracts the Indian families. And okay, I am 5'10" and I'm sitting on the motorcycle right now. So I'm 5'10" and 83 kgs. I'm nice and big. I guess the motorcycle is not looking too small on me. I really appreciate the efforts put in by Bajaj for that. And for me also, it feels pretty decent. It doesn't feel like a puny 100 or 125cc motorcycle. It feels nice and big, and it feels nice. So if you see the instrument panel, the top end variant obviously gets the LCD display, and as you see, this is now on CNG. If I put it on petrol, it will go off on petrol. See, now it's on petrol, and you can see the petrol mode also coming on here. You get the digital instrument cluster, the kilometers. It has already done 97 kilometers. It shows the time there. The gearing ratio is 1 down, 4 up, so it's a 5-speed motorcycle. And if you see this panel here, it's pretty flat, and there are no kind of buttons on the right side. But on the left side, you see this, the horn here. That's the horn. That's the upper dipper here, and this is, I think, something related to Bluetooth. I'm not too sure. I really don't know what this is. And these are the these are the indicators there. With the suspension guard this side, the freedom badging here, if you see, with the flag here, that also looks pretty nice and shows the kind of freedom that Bajaj wants to bring in the Indian motorcycling community. You get 7 different shades to choose from this motorcycle, so y'all can get your dual shades according to your requirement. So let me know your comments. We would be riding this motorcycle soon, and I'll be giving you a ride review of this superb machine. So if there are any kind of questions, please shoot your questions in the comment section. I would love to answer all your questions. So there's Biker Dad Life signing off from here. Do take care of yourself and your families. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much.